Human trafficking is a topic that is known, but not often discussed, and it happens every day. I'm Eric J. Dockery, your Bakersfield neighborhood reporter, and Kern County is no exception to this. That's why Kern Medical is joining efforts to fight against this disturbing issue. The Kern County Board of Supervisors officially made the month of January Human Trafficking Awareness Month. It's an issue that happens on a daily basis and could be happening to a family member or friend. Now, Kern Medical is joining the fight against human trafficking in our county.
So we recently implemented a tool into our electronic medical record. That's a screening tool to screen anyone that we have suspicion of human trafficking. So once that screening tool is positive or we think that they could be a victim, we reach out to resources. Again, sometimes they don't want to open up to us, but if we do identify them, and we can give them the help that they need if they are willing to accept it.
On Thursday, Kern Medical launched an initiative aimed at identifying, protecting, and supporting victims of human trafficking by setting up a task force. Odessa Perkins knows the issue only too well.
With this task force in place, they'll know that, okay, this is a sign, this is a sign, this can be going on. So it's all coming full circle to see Kern Medical Center, a trauma center, right? A trauma center incorporating human trafficking, a human trafficking task force, and to help individuals. That's key.
Odessa was a victim of human trafficking, and she tells me God has blessed her with a second chance to help those victims who might be experiencing trauma but are too afraid to reach out. She will be a member of the task force for mentorship and guidance.
Well, my son was born here 34 years ago, and coming in, I was bruised and battered, and no one ever asked the questions. And what we correlate domestic violence is very much correlated to human trafficking, but nobody ever asked the questions because it was a hush type of situation.
Kern Medical and other organizations are partnering to battle this ongoing problem. An organization called Kern Coalition Against Human Trafficking is another organization that works closely with human trafficking issues and are offering their hands in support.
If they reach out to the National Human Trafficking Hotline, that will make it to a whole group of people that can help them. They can remain anonymous, even if they're a witness to human trafficking or something they need to do, they can do that. But our organizations are created specifically for our victims here in Kern County.
If you or someone you know is going through a situation that could involve human trafficking, you can reach out to 1-888-3737-888 or text HELP to 233-7333. It's a 24-hour hotline that will navigate you to the right organization.
That's the reason God kept me. Because, like I say, my statistics say I'm supposed to be dead in jail, a prostitute, or a drug addict, and I'm not either. So he kept me that whole time. So if a survivor or a current victim sees them, I don't want to talk to them. But then I come in and I'm like, okay, I experienced exactly what you experienced, and I'm here to tell you that you can get to the other side.
Again, if you see something suspicious that may result in human trafficking, please reach out to your local law enforcement. Your call could save a life. For 23 ABC, I'm Eric J. Dockery, your Bakersfield neighborhood reporter.